A very fine good morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise chapter number 7, Patterns and Symmetry. Chapter number 7, Patterns and Symmetry. Let's start. Symmetry. Figures that can be divided exactly into identical halves are known as symmetrical figure. Figures that can be divided exactly into identical halves means they must be equal, same halves, okay, are known as symmetrical figures. In such images, one half is the mirror image of other. It means that two parts of the divided figure are identical along the division. It means that the two parts of the divided figure are identical along the line of division. When the figure are folded along this line, one half will exactly fit over the other half. Okay? When the figure are folded, when we are going to fold the figure, the one half exactly fit over the other half. The line drawn to divide an image into two equal halves, that line is known as line of symmetry. Is it clear? Sure? Symmetrical figure and the line of symmetry. In the symmetrical figure, both the halves are identical, and the line that is to be drawn to divide an image into two equal halves is called line of symmetry. Okay? Now see here, in this shape we have drawn the line of symmetry. Both the parts, both the halves are identical, so it is known as symmetrical figure, and this line is known as line of symmetry. Here in the D, see, we have drawn horizontal line of symmetry and both the halves are identical. It is vertical line of symmetry. Is it clear? So you can draw any line of symmetry in any way, but keep this thing in mind that both the halves are equal, identical. Okay? And the figure that cannot be divided into equal parts are called asymmetrical or non-symmetrical figure that cannot be divided into equal parts. Is it clear? And do you know, some figures can have more than one line of symmetry. We will discuss in the practice time 1. Okay? That a lot of figures are there that have more than one line of symmetry. Is it clear? Now start with reflection. A mirror image or a water image is called reflection. When you look at yourself in the mirror or in the water, what do you notice? Your right appears to be your left. Have you ever noticed? When you look yourself at mirror, you notice your right appears to be your left and your left appears to be in the right. In the reflection, things will look just the opposite what they are. When you look in the mirror or a water, the reflection you see is the reverse of yourself. Okay? Reverse means your right appear your left and left appear right. It simply reflects the symmetry of a picture. Is it clear? It simply reflects the symmetry of a picture. Sure? So reflection is clear? When the right appears your left and your left appears to be the right. It is also known as mirror image or water image. Okay? Now come to rotation. Azhar made a paper cutting and started rotating it by holding it with a stick at the center. Okay? Revati, on observing the sameness of the object in every direction of rotation, started listing some objects as below. Azhar had made a paper cutting and start rotating it by holding it with a stick. स्टिक से अजहर ने होल्ड किया और उसे रोटेट किया। तो रेवाती ने देखा और ऑब्जर्व किया। तो क्या किया रेवाती ने? ऑन ऑब्जर्विंग द सेमनेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इन एवरी डायरेक्शन ऑफ रोटेशन started listing some objects. She has given a list of some objects, okay, in which we are going to rotate in every direction and they look same. Do all above figures look alike on the rotation through a point? If so, mark these points in each. Finally, some objects with sameness on rotation around you, which will rotate. When we are going to rotate it, they look same. Okay. Usually we find many shapes on walls, floors and on paper design. If a shape can be turned around a specific way, around a fixed point, it may look at the same or it may change the design. Okay. If we are going to rotate a shape, maybe it looks same or maybe it look different. Okay. I'm going to explain you. Don't worry. I'm going to explain you about half turn, about quarter turn. It's come in the rotation. Okay. 1/3 and 1/6 turn are not in your syllabus. Is it clear? So I'm going to tell you about half turn and quarter turn. Okay. So in this video we have studied the introduction of chapter symmetry. Okay. In the next I am going to tell you how to solve the sums related to symmetry. Okay. So till you have to read introduction. Okay. Up to page number 137 you have to read. And still you face any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.